On August 3, 1977, Radio Shack started selling the TRS-80 microcomputer system, which became one of the first mass-produced personal computers. Priced at $599, it included a monochrome monitor and a tape drive for storage. The display was black and white, and provided a resolution of 64 characters per line by 16 lines, with a text-only display. Despite its simplicity, the monochrome monitor was sufficient for the software available at the time, such as word processors, simple games, and basic programming. Radio Shack sold 10,000 units of the TRS-80 in the first month alone, far exceeding their initial expectations. The TRS-80 was significant for its role in popularizing personal computing and making it accessible to a wider audience. Its early success marked a pivotal moment in the history of computing for everyday use.